So today I'm about to show you how to copy citations from NotebookLM answers. First, type your question into the chat bar and wait for the AI to generate its response. When you look at the text, you'll see a small blue bracketed numbers right next to the specific facts. Those are your inline citations. If you use the standard copy button at the bottom of the chat box, it will copy the raw text, completely stripping away the citation data. To copy the text while preserving your sources, click directly on the blue citation number. A side panel will instantly slide open, displaying the exact quote and source document name. Highlight the text inside that citation panel, copy and paste it directly into your project. Since bracketed numbers are only relevant inside the app, make sure to type out the actual document title or author name when transferring the information to your external document. And that's it. That's how to copy citations from NotebookLM answers. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.